And TVC News correspondent Celestina Iria joins me for updates on this development. Celestina, talk to us about this verdict today at the Supreme Court, especially as it relates to what both parties were appealing at the court, whether the PDP and other parties.
Well, if you can hear me, because I can barely hear you. The Supreme Court has affirmed the election of Governor Yahaya Bello as the duly elected governor of Kogi State by dismissing two appeals filed by the Social Democratic Party and the People's Democratic Party. The appeal filed by the PDP was the fact that the election was marred with malpractices, violence, and overvoting. But the court today said that the PDP could not prove that, and also the allegation by the SDP, wherein they said that the deputy governorship candidate of the APC was not qualified to contest the election because he, according to them, submitted false documents to INEC. That appeal was also dismissed for lacking in merit. But we all know that these appeals arose from the trial tribunal, wherein 4 petitions came out from the Kogi State governorship election, that of the APP, the PDP, the SDP, and it all also went to the Court of Appeal. But the Court of Appeal, just 3 appeals were heard because the petitions that came out from the trial tribunal, only 3 petitioners were able to file within the stipulated time. And the court dismissed those petitions. And down to the Supreme Court, that of the DPP was dismissed last week for lacking in merit and also for being an academic exercise. So today, that of the SDP and the PDP was decided.
All right, so what are you hearing from all parties? We know that the Supreme Court is supposed to be the final, if I may use the word, bus stop for cases, but we've seen people ask for review of judgments by Supreme Court. So what are you hearing from this part, from all parties concerning this judgment?
Well, Precious, we have a very bad reception, but we know that there must be an end to litigation, and this is the apex court. Whatever the court decides stands, and all parties must be bound by the judgments of the Supreme Court.
All right, Celestina, thanks for bringing us updates. Correspondent Celestina Area live for us in Abuja.